with an 8.8 rear end. Forgot to put a sharp shifter in here. This is here, little vent. It's already taken off, and the steering wheel column covers, bottom and lower, upper and lower are already taken off. Alright, that bolt and this one. Once those are taken off, their steering wheel column should drop. And it could help to take these wires apart or disconnect. Later, that'll make it easier for the dash to get up over the steering wheel. Well, the steering wheel's gonna come off too. Make it even easier. Those are two 13 millimeters. I don't remember if they're 13s, 12s, or 14s from the factory. Those have definitely been changed before. And while I was under there, I noticed something here. You can jump this just like that is. I'm kind of impressed. Somebody knew what they were looking for. The starter gives an issue sometimes, a little click start. Jumping that will eliminate the click. So props to whoever did that. At this point, just disconnecting some connectors should let the gauge cluster come forward. It's not in terrible shape. Crack, no. Cobweb. We have a little chip. Like something's broken here. Not for me. There's nothing left over that has those broken parts. Like the odometer doesn't work. That could be repaired. Or it could be a blessing in disguise. I could just take it apart and rebuild it anyways with some speed hut gauges. I also have this one that isn't broken. It has a push button already, probably from a Honda S2000, if I had to guess. That's what most usually use. That's what I was gonna use before. I think it'd be cool to have that push start along with maybe like a race panel switch on the bottom piece here where the radio den pocket usually goes. I'll have to see, maybe a Bubble Tech makes one. That's my thoughts right now. Radio bezel should just pop out with a little force. And unplug wires. Alright, that's all the way. That's still in good shape. What comes factory may be different than what's on here. You have two 10 millimeter bolts holding it on there, and should be two over there, but as you see to the left, there's just one. That's probably a 13, which it could be a 14 from the factory. Then we removed. That was a 13/16 nut. Somebody painted that dashboard black once upon a time. So this dash has been out before. Behind the panel there should be two 10 millimeter bolts. And the two that hold this one is already removed. Like I said, I think this was taken out before. That glove box don't look healthy. What do you know? Glove box delete. If I was correct, this dash should just remove now. Got it out. I one-manned it. Oh, that's gonna come out too. A-pillar's a simple pull to the clips. What are you for? Don't wait. Next. It appears it didn't have an ECU. That's cool. I think I got a few for the other car. If not, I'll get a Power FC or a Mega Squirt or something like that. Disconnect a few plugs, a few bolts, and all that comes out easily. Pulling some wiring. Let me get all the complete body wiring harness out. From the driver's side dash area. And I've done this before, so I got all the pictures on how to get this back in and to document it. Yeah, this AC stuff's ready to come out now. That was a simple pull. And still got this little component left. Yeah, check out them hey dudes.
Drip is forever.
Yeah, I believe this one just has a bolt right there. I think that's a hummingbird that came in. I need to let you out, buddy. Yeah, it's moved. Now I'll disconnect the connectors on this side and start pulling that wiring loom off, and that'll be getting it ready to pull it straight out the firewall when it's time. Of course, I gotta go do the same to that side too. All right, the rest of this wiring should pull out the firewall. Firewall? Yeah, firewall over there. All the front wiring harness has been fished out through the side. Short work of the rear harness with these. If I didn't already have a bunch of reference pictures from previous cars, I'll be way more thorough in documenting this. Like I said, I'd make short work of it. Much wiring can stay in for now, but I will take the headliner off because that needs to be cleaned. And then the wiring could probably stay. So when I coat it with lizard skin, I think I'll coat overhead. I may. I'll see when the time comes. The liner had 4 little push-on clips. The visors and the dome light. Now that boy will come right off. I'd had some other clips holding it on. Pulled the weather stripping off to make it a little easier. Oh, it's out. I'm gonna take it out. Little pedals, steering shaft left, and a e-brake handle. Clean it out a little bit, and I'm basically where I want to be for now. Them out. Clutch pedal, brake pedal, gas pedal. Check that out. RX7. It's in the game. With the brake pedal coming out, the booster also came out from the other side, and I had to pull this out. I took a a stud out, a bolt out, so I should be able to pull it free. I'll have to let that soak in some PB Blaster, but I should be able to get this mat off and slip it over. Still do what I want. Yeah, I did it. Found a little piece of rust. I'm gonna have to take a wire wheel too and see exactly how bad it is and patch it up.